Hey, Digital Dave here with another cryptocurrency and blockchain update. Last couple of weeks there's been quite a bit of interest in people that wanting to invest in Bitcoin. People that I know, friends of mine, people I play sports with. It's just kind of, there's some new interest, even though Bitcoin has been declining last week. More than a week it's been going down. Surprisingly, people are interested. And a lot of people don't know where to start. And I say just open up an account on Coinbase.com and buy you some Bitcoin, or better yet, buy you some BitcoinCash. And if you don't know how to pull it off at the exchange, then just leave it on there. That's not normally what I would have people do, is just to leave it there. But it's a great way to get started though, because you're in the game once you buy some Bitcoin or BitcoinCash, and just leave it there. At least you're in the game already. And I always recommend to pull your coins off of any exchange, but it's not something that a new investor is going to know how to do properly. It just takes a little bit of you watch a video, read an article. Coinbase probably has instructions on how to pull your coins off as well and put it in your own wallet. I teach people how to do that, set up wallets properly, secure everything properly. But to get started, go to Coinbase, buy you some Bitcoin, or better yet, BitcoinCash. But there's another coin that I recommend more than Bitcoin, and it's called DigiByte. It's a coin that a lot of people's never heard of. A new investor has never heard of DigiByte before, and I've been talking about it for a long time. And the ticker is DGB, but you can't get DigiByte on Coinbase. So what I recommend, if somebody wants to put a little money into some crypto without buying the Bitcoin, Bitcoin's at the time of this video is close to $8,000. DigiByte is 0.007 cents. I say get some DigiByte, put some money on it into DigiByte, and just forget about it. But you have to get DigiByte on a site called VertBase, and I'll leave that link in the description below. But VertBase, you open up an account, you have to do KYC, submit your ID, and link your bank account. And but you can buy DigiByte there. Once you get set up there, it's easy to buy the coin. And there are 6 cryptos that I recommend on my Patreon site that are poised to make explosive moves this quarter. The last 3 months of this year, October, November, December. DigiByte is one of them. So guys, just go to VertBase, open up an account there, buy some DigiByte, forget about it. Here's a little history of DigiByte. So DigiByte was created 5 years ago. 2014 is when it was created or released. I'm not sure what the proper terminology is. But 5 years ago, DigiByte was 0.0001 cent. Okay. It is now 0.07 cents. Okay, that is a 700 times increase in just 5 years. 700x in 5 years. Can you think of any other investment that has done as well as that? Maybe Bitcoin has done even better over its 10-year history. But DigiByte, nobody's heard of it, right? It's a great coin. It's a great technology, and it's only getting stronger. I follow the development of DigiByte closely on the Twitter, Telegram, everything, their videos, their YouTube channels, and the coin is only getting stronger and stronger, and it's probably the most secure crypto out there. It has the most secure blockchain, so it's not going to disappear. It already has a 5-year history. They keep improving on the project. It's one of my top 6 coins that I think every serious investor should own. So that's one of the 6 that I have. The other, if you want to see the full list, I have it on my Patreon site. You can check that out in the link below. So DigiByte was 0.001 cent 5 years ago. It's now 0.07 for a 700x increase. So as an investment perspective, now I'm not a financial advisor. DigiByte could go to 0. Okay, I just have to say that. Okay, legally I have to say that. But logically, it's not going to 0. But we don't know what the future holds, right? But the future looks bright for DigiByte. I did not mean to do that rhyme, but anyways, hey, good. So, but the future looks great for DigiByte, absolutely looks great. So if DigiByte were to go, so it's 0.07 cents right now, time of this video. If it does another 700x in 5 years, which I'm most certain it will, because there's so much more money coming into crypto now. 5 years ago, nobody even knew about these other cryptos. They only knew about Bitcoin. Nobody knew about DigiByte and Litecoin and these other cryptos. But now all this money coming into cryptos and the awareness with DigiByte, I think easy 700x is going to happen in the next 5 years for that coin. 700x from 7.07 cents puts DigiByte at about $49, about a $50 coin each. So it can be had for less than a penny right now. Okay, so only put in as much money as you can afford to lose in cryptos. Only put as much money as you can afford to risk, because I mean you can lose all your money. Absolutely, you can lose all your money. But I've seen millionaires being made with cryptos if they're careful with how they invest. Don't invest too much money. Only invest enough money that you can put into it and just forget about it. So if you put in $100, $1,000, $5,000, whatever, just pretend like you've lost it. Don't just think that you can't touch it for 3, 4, 5 years, and then you'll be okay. If you look at the charts every day, it's probably going to cause a lot of panic. It does to a lot of people, because the cryptos are very volatile. However, the trend is cryptos, the good ones, Bitcoin, Litecoin, DigiByte, BitcoinCash. BitcoinCash is pretty new, but I'll do a video about BitcoinCash, why I really am bullish on that as well. But the trend for these good cryptos is it's almost straight up. You know, it's a 45-degree increase overall. There's dips, peaks and valleys along the way, but a 45-degree angle overall increase for the cryptos. And yeah, I couldn't see why DigiByte wouldn't do another 700x in 5 years. If it went to 100x, that would not be a disaster. Okay, so all right, there's one of my top 6 coins that I recommend. BitcoinCash is another one, and I'll do another video about that. But for the new investor, you can open up an account on VertBase, buy you some DigiByte, and you're in the game. So speaking of DigiByte, I'm a big fan of it for good reason, because I've done the research. I just know how strong the project is. I have this DigiByte t-shirt. I created these shirts. I've been in the t-shirt business for a very long time, and I sold the business, got out of it. And I said, well, I miss making t-shirts. So I made this DigiByte t-shirt. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to get a DigiByte t-shirt. It's a high performance moisture wicking shirt. Really nice shirt. I mean, it's got the DigiByte flame logo on the front. It's got the DigiByte logo here in the sleeve. So I'll put that link in the description. And you can, the site that these are listed on, you can pay with crypto or you can pay with fiat. So there's the options. Okay, guys, that's my free advice for cryptos. Get you some DigiByte. Forget about it for a few years, and I think you'll be very happy. Okay, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video.